Let us try to understand how to find degree of a polynomial expression. As you know, polynomials are written in the form of y equals to an x to the power of n plus an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus so on, right, like a2x squared plus a1x plus a0, right? Now in this case, this is written in the standard form when the first term is of the highest degree and the number associated with that term is called the coefficient and is also the leading coefficient. So let me just define a few terms. That is the leading coefficient. Right? This is the leading term and this term has the highest degree, right? And n is the degree. So the term with highest degree, so this is the term with highest degree. So degree of the polynomial is same as the degree of the term with highest degree. And we say if that is the case, then degree of polynomial is n, right? The degree of the leading term. Okay, so that is how we find degree of a polynomial in general. But there are situations, and remember one more thing, that n is non-negative integer. Okay, for a polynomial, correct. Now what we will do here is, as an exercise, we'll have a few examples and you figure out what is the degree of the polynomial, right? So we'll write polynomial expressions now. So we have 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 1. Now what is the degree for this polynomial? Now here there are three terms. The highest degree is 3. So we say, well, the degree in this case is equal to 3, right? Now this is given in standard form. Let me give you another example, and this time let it be 5x cubed minus 3x squared plus x to the power of 7 minus 2. Now in this case, what is the degree? As you will notice, it is not written in standard form. We have a term whose degree is 7, and that term is the term with highest degree. Now here, degree of the polynomial should be equal to 7. It's not 3. That term may be written first, but it is not with the highest degree. Term with the highest degree is x to the power of 7. 7 is the degree of this polynomial, correct? So that is how you can find degree of a polynomial. Now if I write a polynomial which is just a number, let's say minus 5. Now what is the degree of that polynomial? Minus 5 is also a polynomial. Think about it as x to the power of 0. So we say in this case degree is equal to 0, right? On the other hand, if I have a polynomial which is kind of written as 3x, now in this particular case it is x is 1, so degree will be 1 in this case. So whenever you write terms where it is written as sum or difference of terms, then you can easily find the degree. Well, there could be cases where we are given the polynomial in product form. For example, if I write x squared plus 3 times x minus 1. Now for this polynomial, what is the degree? Figure it out. Similarly, we could have a polynomial like x squared minus 3 whole cube, right, times x plus 4 times x. Now what is the degree of polynomial in this case? Okay, so let's figure that out. Now if I multiply and expand this, it'll give me 4 different terms, and the term with the highest degree will be x squared times x. So we'll have x cubed, and therefore the degree in this case will be what? 3, correct? Now in this particular case, degree should be how much? 3 times 2 is 6, and then multiplied with this will give me one more, 7 times this 8. So in this case, degree is equal to 8. So when we are writing in product form, then the exponents of x get added up, and that is how we can find the degree of a polynomial. So I think we have considered different cases, and I hope they help you to figure out the degree of a polynomial. Thank you and all the best.